So this is just a short video to show you where the cabin filter is in a Kia Soul EV. This is a 2016 Kia Soul, but they're all the same. So on the UK-spec, it is still behind the glove box, which is good because most vehicles, they don't convert it. And then you pull this panel down. It actually says air filter here. It's a bit tight, but you can see the clips are here. You just have to get hold of it and yank it down from the top. And you've got these lugs at the bottom that hook in. And then I hope you can see, but in there you will see the cabin filter holder, and I'm at a slightly wrong angle, but that is the holder. It pushes in from the right hand side, and to release it you need to squeeze those two clips together, and then it will pull out from that side. And then here is your cabin filter. You just slide it out. It'll be full of debris on the top, so make sure you don't drop too much of that down, but you'll see the airflow here. The rubbish collects on the top and your clean side is on the bottom. So the size of this cabin filter is 210 by 163 by 25 millimeters deep. The crucial dimension is the 210 because it goes in that way and it is relatively tight. These cabin filters, they cost around about £6 or £7 or so, so dirt cheap and very, very easy to change.